Get ready for an exciting new gadget from Xiaomi. The ultra-slim 5000 mAh power bank is about to hit the Indian market. And today, we're unboxing it to give you a first look at this sleek, high-performance accessory. Right off the bat, you'll notice the stunning metallic finish of the ultra-slim power bank. Weighing just 93 grams and measuring only 10 millimeters thick, this device is not only incredibly portable but also feels premium in your hand. The compact card-like design makes it perfect for everyday carry. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just going about your day, this power bank fits seamlessly into your pocket or bag without adding any bulk. On the back, you'll find a single USB Type-C port for both charging the power bank and your devices. Xiaomi includes a USB-C to USB-C cable, ensuring you're all set for fast, efficient charging right out of the box. The 5000 mAh battery is no slouch either, offering 20-watt fast charging. With the ultra-slim power bank, you can charge your Xiaomi 14 up to 40% in just 30 minutes. That's some serious juice in no time at all. Even better, this power bank supports two-way fast charging. It doesn't just charge your devices quickly, it charges itself just as fast. So, when you're in a rush, you can be ready to go in no time. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or on a weekend getaway, the Xiaomi Ultra Slim Power Bank is the ideal companion for keeping your devices powered throughout the day. Its safety features also ensure peace of mind, with 9 layers of protection to prevent overheating, overcharging, and even short-circuiting. Compared to other power banks on the market, this one stands out for its ultra-thin design and lightweight body, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a portable, reliable power solution. Xiaomi will officially launch this sleek, powerful gadget in India on December 9th alongside the Redmi Note 14 series and other exciting products. The price? Well, it's expected to be affordable, around 129 rupees, which is about $20 in China. We'll find out soon if India will see a similar price tag. So, are you ready for the Xiaomi Ultra Slim Power Bank? Don't forget to mark your calendars for December 9th. We'll be here to cover all the details. See you then.